Hey guys, if you wanted to know how to stream Netflix on Discord, then this is the right video for you. You need to do 3 steps. First of all, you have to open your browser. For me, it's Google Chrome, and we will go to these 3 dots which is on top right side corner and click on setting. From here, we want to search for hardware on the search bar and make sure this option use hardware acceleration when available is turned off. It is going to relaunch your browser. Okay, now we need to repeat this step for Discord as well. Open your Discord, go to the user setting, scroll down to advanced, and here you want to uncheck the option as well. It is going to restart your Discord application. Now there is the very last step which we need to take in order to stream Netflix on Discord. We want to go to the user setting again, and this time we want to go to the register games. You probably won't see this Google Chrome, but you need to click on the edit and here you want to select the Google Chrome. And if it is not showing here, for example, I'm going to click edit, and then as you can see here, Google Chrome pops up. Click on to add game. It should say Google Chrome now playing. Okay, so if we were to test it right now, I'm just going to join the call. I'm gonna share my screen, and then you wanna select the Google Chrome option right here, go live. And if I try to play my Netflix video now, as you are about to see, it works. That's just what I did, just letting go. Yup, and it's okay, fantastic. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. Make sure to like this video and also leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till the time, take care, goodbye.